出国那个 Schlemm 中有闹散 Hima。
The opposition is supposed to do its duty, and we in the treasury are supposed to do our duty. But if you go to the rules, conduct business, Assembly Rule 28 is very clear that a member can make a submission in his mother tongue, provided that same copy of the speech is made available to the speaker. That is as per the house. Ideally speaking, though, when you communicate, I would have preferred an address in a language that I can probably understand. But today, to compensate for that, what I did was read the governor's speech in English, and reading is far better because you can internalize all points of the speech better than listening to a language which I can only half understand. Yes.
What do you have to say about?
I've said whatever needs to be said. What more? Any additional
You
point?
should have placed
Yeah.
the governor should have placed in the then instead of speaking in Hindi, place the speech on the floor.
The speech of the governor was placed on the table, on every member's table. One. Two, what he delivered was an abridged version of the speech. He did not cover the entire speech, which was covered by the written text. Okay? The written text had many pages. The governor spoke barely 15 minutes.
Impose language.
There is no question of any imposition to the extent that Hindi is considered the official. Even constitutionally, Hindi is the official language of this country. It is not the national language of this country.
This is the second time that we are getting a governor.
Yes,
Don't
the
you
second
think
time.
that Center should appoint a governor who can
Speak in English.
I can only say that when I go to Parliament.